Reefs have existed on Earth for over 3 billion years, surviving all 5 of the major mass extinctions. Sequestering carbon at twice the rate of a tropical rainforest and humbly turning seawater into stone, they've shaped the course of Earth's climatic history. They prefer the sunny, nutrient-rich waters of the tropics, but their exact distribution and abundance largely depend on accidents of geology. As North and South America converged around 3 million years ago, a grand equatorial current was disrupted, isolating Atlantic and Pacific waters. Frequent glacial periods batted down coral populations, leaving only the hardiest species to repopulate the Caribbean. Nowadays, Pacific coral species outnumber Atlantic ones by more than 10 times, and just one bay in the Philippines has as many species as the entire Caribbean. And what about coral atolls, the ring-shaped slices of paradise scattered throughout the nearly lifeless open ocean? It was none other than Charles Darwin who first correctly hypothesized that atolls were the result of ancient underwater volcanoes whose peaks had eroded long ago. The Greeks held that Perseus used Medusa's head to petrify and defeat the sea monster Cetus. As he washed his hands in the sea, Medusa's blood turned the seaweed to coral stone. That's where we get the name for the free-floating stage in coral's life cycle. In the 1700s, Indian merchants shipped diamonds to Europe in exchange for red Mediterranean coral pieces to set in the turbans of the rich. One exquisite form of carbon traded for another. As long as conditions are right, coral polyps seem to be able to multiply indefinitely, without losing any fitness or fidelity. And to this day, many Japanese anti-aging remedies depend on calcium harvested specifically from coral stone. These technicolor marriages of animal, plant, and rock cover less than 1% of the ocean, yet host more than a quarter of its species. May they continue to enchant and provide. For more on coral and its unexpected links to literature, history, politics, and culture, check out Coral, A Pessimist in Paradise by Steve Jones.